Hi everyone. Okay, this time I'm going to show you how to use your calculator to solve one of those Timmy problems where Timmy is asked to solve an equation. So here's an exponential equation, and then here are the steps, and somewhere along the lines here we know that Timmy is going to make a mistake, and so the question is, where did Timmy make his mistake? If you understand the algebra, following the algebra is by far the fastest way here. But let's assume that that's not the case here, and let's see what we can do with the calculator. The first thing I would do with something like this is actually find the solution, okay? Now we've got tools in the calculator for doing this. I'm going to lead you through the solve feature again because this is an exponential equation. So what I'm going to do first of all with this is we're going to take this equation, I'm going to rewrite it as 6 to the 3x minus 3 to the 2x minus 1 equals 0. And then I'm going to go to my solve feature in my calculator, okay, which is second 0. Sorry, I can't. I just turned the calculator off. I'll try that again. Second 0 gets me into the catalog, and then I'm going to press my natural log button. That gets me down to the s's. Okay, all the functions that start with s. Now I'm going to slide down here until I get to the, there it is, solve feature right there. Now I'm going to enter in that equation that I built, 6 to the power of 3x minus 3 to the power of 2x minus 1. Okay, so that's the expression. It's set equal to 0, comma, don't forget where the comma button is, it's right above the 7, comma. I want the calculator to solve for the x variable, okay, comma. And now remember, I have to give it a guess, some sort of a seed value, something to start with. So I don't know, let's throw the number 5 down there. Why not? Okay, press enter. And boom, there's the actual answer to this problem. Okay, so I'm going to take that answer, okay, and I'm going to store that. Okay, the button just above the on button, I'm going to store that in the variable x. Okay, so now that's in x. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Timmy's work here, and I'm going to follow his work down here. So I'm going to start with the left-hand side, log of 6 to the power of 3x. Okay, so in my first step, that's what I'm getting on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, okay, so the left side and the right-hand side for step 1, totally the same. So that means in that first step, Timmy did that right. So now let's go to the second step here. Okay, 3x log 6, close brackets. Okay, I'm still getting the same value there. That's a good sign. Okay, and now I'm going to go 2x minus 1 log of 3. Oh, and that isn't the same. So what that means here is in this second step, something went wrong. The left side is not equal to the right side. So that's where the mistake happened. Now it turns out the reason why that's a mistake here is because that should have been in brackets. Okay, when you bring down the exponent there, you need to keep that in brackets because it's the whole thing there multiplied by the log 3. But sometimes Timmy forgets to do that. So that's something to look out for. But even if you don't see it, if you just follow this thing through here, once you have the solution should make both sides of the equation equal for every step. And when it's not equal, that's the one that Timmy made the mistake in.